To show suggested emoji when you are typing with your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra keyboard, open an app or screen where you can type with your keyboard. As the example, while you are messaging someone, tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Next, tap the setting icon at the top of the keyboard. And then tap the gray on offset next to suggest emojis until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As a note, this option will be available if you have enabled predictive text feature. Next, tap the back key to go back to the screen where you can type with your keyboard. Type something. As you are typing, you can see that your phone will show suggested emoji on the predictive text bar above the keyboard based on the word you are typing. You can tap the emoji to insert it to your message. Given to the function, if you are the one who like to use emoji while messaging or texting, using suggest emojis feature can help you easily choose the right emoji for your text so that you can save more time for finding the right emoji manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.